Yeah, so Santosh, if you want to take the BDM project, you have to complete BDM theory either with the you have to take the project with the theory or you have to complete the theory in a previous term. So it's the same with like MAD 1 project. You have to take the MAD 1 theory in the same term or you have to complete it in an earlier term.
No, sir, but my doubt is, should we have to take business analytics compulsory or
No, you can't take business analytics in the same term. And
okay,
if you're taking the BDM project, so if you're planning for that path A, which is BA plus BDM project, you if once you complete the BDM project, you can take the DL Gen AI path, but you will get the credits in the degree level.
okay,
Okay, so with BDM project, you have to take BDM theory, BDM project, and all other courses can work. So MLF, DBMS, they can work. You can once we get through the PPT, it will make a better sense. Okay.
okay, sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So with and Sarthak, meanwhile, Afrin joins, we can get done with the foundation level. I think it's easy, so we can take that. Let's start with the session. It's already 6:08. Okay. So good evening, everyone. We welcome you all to the course counseling session for May 2026 term. And let's take first the foundation level, and then we'll move ahead for the diploma level and so on. And we'll take your doubts at the end. Okay. So here's the foundation level. Sarthak, would you like to take on?
Sure. So as you can see in the PPT, it's the suggested pathway for the foundational level courses. So, guys, if I'm ever talking fast or if you want me to speak in English, if you want me to speak in Hindi, you can just say so in the chat, okay? Um, right now, I will be speaking in English. So, because I don't know if someone is from a state that doesn't speak Hindi, okay? So, as you can see in the PPT, we have three paths there. So, 2 terms, 3 terms, and 4 terms. Usually, 3 terms is going to be the best way for foundation level. It is recommended by ITM as well, and it's a very relaxed pace to do foundation. Okay, the 2 term path, which is term 1 and term 2, is going to be a little bit harder because you're going to do Python, Maths 2, and Stats 2 together. So if you have so if you're like 18 and you're just doing this degree after completing your 12th standard and you have taken maths in your 12th standard, only then is the 2 term path recommended. Otherwise, go for the 3 term path. Now, if you are doing a dual degree, so I would strongly suggest you to do the 4 term path, because with the dual degree, it's going to be a little bit harder to uh, do all maths 1, stats 1, stats 2, maths 2 together. So take the 4 term path if you are doing a dual degree. So any doubts here, or if you want me to re-explain in Hindi, please raise your hand.
Like I am doing dual degree, should I take 3 term path? Because in first term I took 3 terms path.
Okay, so what are the subjects that you have done already?
Maths 1, Stats 1, and CT.
Okay, so you're doing BTech, right?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so you can take the three-term path, but mind you that Maths 2 and Stats 2, they are a little bit challenging. Okay, so
Okay.
have you done like linear algebra in your BTech, engineering mathematics, or any of that, any sort of that course?
Yes.
Okay, so three terms will be good for you. But mind you, Stats 2 and Python in term 3. Term 2 is going to be a little bit harder because you will be, doing linear algebra again, and there are a lot of theorems in Maths 2 in this IITM course. We'll be
Okay.
also dabbling in a bit of multivariable calculus. So if you have done engineering mathematics 1, then you can do the three-term path. However, if you ever find that it's a little bit harder to manage all these subjects together. For dual
Okay.
degree students, four terms are a little bit better. Okay.
Okay.
Also, if you have never coded in your life, then Python will be way harder for you.
I've done coding, so I'm familiar with Python.
Okay. Anyone else for foundation? Okay, then I think we should move on to the diploma level. So for diploma level students, it's very important to understand the concept of prerequisites and co-requisites. So what is a prerequisite? A prerequisite is a course that you must have completed in the previous term. So, for example, the first course is MLP, which is machine learning practice, and the prerequisite here is MLT, machine learning techniques. So, you can only take MLP once you have completed MLT. That's a prerequisite. Now, what is a co-requisite? A co-requisite is basically an advice from our team that you only take MLT if you're taking MLF with it. So, MLF should be either completed in the previous term or it should be taken together if you're doing MLT. For all projects, you must take the theory in the same project, or you must have completed the theory in an earlier term. Okay. Any doubts here, guys, for prerequisite and co-requisites? Okay, so let's move on to the path now. So completing in three terms is never recommended. Although technically you can complete in three terms, please don't do it. It's going to be very hard. Um, Completing in four terms, it is hard but doable. So IIT recommends it only if you have like very strong fundamentals in coding and maths. So you can take this example in four terms. It's going to be extremely hectic though, 70 hours plus of coding. So DBMS, MAD1 theory, PDSA, and MLF. If you are going for a more, this is for the BA and BDM path. Okay, the path one, which is business analytics and BDM project. So in that case, this is aggressive, but DBMS, MAD1 theory, PDSA, MLF in the first term is doable. In the second term, you take the BDM theory, you are taking MAD1 project. I would strongly recommend everyone to do the theory and then take the project in the subsequent term. Okay. And then MAD2 theory and machine learning techniques in term two. Now, BDM project is where things get interesting. BDM project, does anyone know about the BDM project, or is anyone planning to take BDM project here? Anyone? No. Okay. So the problem with BDM project and taking it together with BDM theory is uh, BDM project is based on real life business. So it will test your Excel skills. It will test how you frame your proposals for the BDM team. So although I would recommend that you register for the BDM project with BDM theory, it's going to be extremely hectic to do it together. But I would strongly recommend that you take BDM theory and BDM project together so you can at least uh, provide proposals to the BDM team, because BDM project team is very notorious for rejecting proposals. And then you just do business analytics, MAT2 project, and MLP. And the last term, Yes, Ashmeet. Okay. Ashmeet, you raised your hand. Was it by mistake? Okay. Moving on. In term four, you can take Java and system commands. And mind you, the problem with the taking Java and system commands in the last term might be that if you fail the OPP, um, these two subjects have mandatory OPP, and so it will take one more term for the OPP here. And TDS and MLP project, TDS is also a little bit hard. So here, term four is a little bit, asymmetric, but doable. Now, anyone here who's going for the DL Gen AI path?
Yes.
Okay, so in this path, if you are taking four terms, I would personally suggest not to take four terms because it's a very hectic path. So I've done DL Gen AI this term, and the course is, it depends a lot on your MLP fundamentals, to say the least. So although I will go through how you can do it in four terms, my personal suggestion would be to take at least five terms if you are going for the DL Gen AI path. I am standalone. Should I go with four terms or five? For the DL and Gen AI path, I would recommend at least five terms, and I'll provide you with the reasoning behind it. So, if you're taking this four-term path, you have to do MLT and MLF together. And taking PDSA, MLT, and MLF together is a little bit hectic. So, because PDSA, basically in BTech, there are two courses, which is discrete structures, and the another one is analysis of algorithms. PDSA is a combination of those both courses into one 12-week marathon. Yes, Chitranjan Meena, yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Actually, I have a query about my previous term. I registered for DBMS and MAD1 project. So my DBMS is not clear now. So I taken this term, but my MAD1 is clear. So is
Okay.
that happens along the term, right? Because DBMS is pre-required or co-required with the MAD1. Is that any
Okay, so
effect
if you're
on my?
MAD one, no, 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 you don't have to worry. It's not a prerequisite. And since you have taken DBMS with MAD one theory, since your MAD one is clear, you can take the MAD one project now. You don't have to worry about it. You can
Okay, okay.
repeat DBMS or you can just do the makeup exam if that's the case. Okay.
Okay, and I am registering also in this term BDM. So if I go through with it, when should I register for project?
Okay, so are you taking the BDM path, the path one,
Yes, I am
business analyst?
taking three subjects in this term: MLF, DBMS, and my BDM.
Okay, you have a business that you have reached out to a business for data.
Not really.
Okay, so what I would suggest if you are going for path A is to so basically this term you might not be able to complete the project. There is like 90% chance that you are not completing the project this term. But I would recommend you to register for it because you will understand how the time frames of proposals, final submissions work in BDM project. And although BDM project might take around three terms to do, I think it's a good idea to start early. But that is my opinion here. Okay. So,
If I take theory part first and in the next term I took project, it's
yeah.
going right, okay?
Yeah. It's also, I would also say that that's better if you can, like, get a business to share data this term, take the project in the next term and start working with the, business.
Okay, then it's going to be good idea if I take BDM theory in this term and the next term I took project of.
Yeah. Taking MLF, DBMS and BDM theory this term is going to work. Are you planning to take MAD1 project?
MLF is also clear with the minimum grade.
I think
Actually,
your
this
voice
is
got cut
Jan
off.
26.
Can you repeat that,
Actually,
please?
actually, I my first diploma term is Jan 26, and I go very, you can say very, uh,
Uh,
actually I
You can
take
also talk in Hindi.
three
You can
subjects
also
and
talk
one
in Hindi.
project in
देखो,
that.
आपको हिंदी में बात करना है, मैं हिंदी में भी आपके साथ उसमें कॉन्वर्सेशन कर लेता हूँ. नो इश्यूज इन
एक्चुअली
दैट.
मैंने 3 सब्जेक्ट्स लिए थे साथ में और एक प्रोजेक्ट भी ले लिया था, सो
अच्छा, ओके.
उस वजह
मैड
से
वन
मेरे
का
ग्रेड
प्रोजेक्ट लिया
बहुत
था.
डाउन चलेगा और डीबीएमएस में बहुत मतलब प्रॉब्लम आया मुझे, तो इस बार
ओके,
मेरा मतलब डीबीएमएस और एमएलएफ मुझे रिपीट करना पड़ेगा ऑन द सेंस।
ओके. आप मैड वन का प्रोजेक्ट जो आपका फीस है ना, वो आपके स्टूडेंट वॉलेट में रिफंड हो जाता है. तो आप इस बार उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो, मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट को भी.
मैडवन प्रोजेक्ट को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, राइट?
हाँ, वो 2 टर्म्स के लिए वैलिड होती है जो आप फीस पे करते हो.
ओके, मतलब अभी अगर मैं वापस इनरोल करूंगा मैडवन प्रोजेक्ट में तो मुझे फीस पे नहीं करनी पड़ेगी।
नहीं, वो आपके जो 2500 या आपका जो भी नया ये फीस स्ट्रक्चर है उसमें 6000 है आई गेस. जो भी आपने 2500 या 6000 पे करा है ना आईटीएम को, वो आपके स्टूडेंट वॉलेट में क्रेडिट बैक हो जाएगा. आपको ईमेल नहीं आया मैड वन टीम का?
नो,
ये सब कुछ
एक्चुअली माय
जनरिक है।
प्रोजेक्ट इज डन। आई गेट
हाँ।
ई ग्रेड इन माय प्रोजेक्ट।
ओके, ओके, आपका प्रोजेक्ट डन है. ओके, देन
हाँ,
वो इम्प्रूवमेंट वाला केस है, देन दैट्स डिफरेंट.
इम्प्रूवमेंट
ओके.
वाला केस है, इसीलिए मैं अभी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं उठाना चाह रहा हूँ।
या सो यू कैन डू वन थिंग. आप बीडीएम थ्योरी, एमएलएफ और डीबीएमएस इस टर्म में कर लो, और नेक्स्ट टर्म में आप बीडीएम प्रोजेक्ट. बट मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड करूंगा कि इवन आप प्रोजेक्ट इस टर्म में रजिस्टर नहीं कर रहे हो, आप
यस,
बिजनेस को जरूर रीच आउट करना, क्योंकि आपको एक रियल बिजनेस से रियल डेटा चाहिए होगा.
और उसके लिए कहीं से मतलब मुझे कहीं से कुछ भी मटेरियल मिल सकता है कि, या फिर मुझे खुद से मतलब ये सारी चीज देखनी पड़ेगी?
आपको अपने ओन पे ही रीच आउट करना पड़ेगा. एंड उसके बाद में आईआईटीएम आपको एक लेटर जरूर दे सकता है जब आप रीच आउट कर लोगे.
Sarthak?
यस, यस प्रांजल.
No, no, this is me, Afreen. Just complete the slide once, explain
ओके, ओके,
ओह
everything, and
सॉरी,
then pick up the dogs. Yeah, it will disturb the flow. Yeah.
ओके, ओके.
सॉरी
So
अबाउट
guys,
दैट।
and also,
आई एम क्लियर नाउ, सो
most of the doubts will be taken care of with the PPT itself. So have some patience, and we'll take doubts at the end in
ओके।
detail. Okay.
okay, so guys, 4 terms. It is doable for the BA BDM path, but I would not suggest for the DL Gen AI path. Now, if you are taking 5 terms, 5 terms is going to be very moderate pace. It's not relaxed, but it's doable. So in that case, I will jump directly to the DL Gen AI path. Because could you please tell me which one is easier, TDS or BDM theory? Okay, so you have to do TDS regardless, and BDM. For TDS, I think you need MLP as a core requisite. BDM theory is going to be very easy as compared to TDS, because TDS has project components in it.
उन्होंने टीडीएस को टफ बना लिया ना।
Yeah, TDS में 2 projects हैं, और अब वो मेरे ख्याल से AI LLM से जज होके उसका
आई
होता
थिंक
है.
पहले पहले एक ही प्रोजेक्ट
And
था।
also, mail bhi aaya hoga, guys. TDS ko leke, those who are planning to take TDS, you would have got that mail to check like you are prepared or not to take that subject. So you can check that out also. Continue, Sarthak.
या मैं जीए का, अगर कोई टीडीएस कर रहा है तो ये पहले आपको जीए में सबमिशन करना पड़ेगा. लेस देन 40 तो आपको उसमें अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड दैट यू टेक टीडीएस बिकॉज इट विल बी टू हार्ड. So if anyone is taking TDS, you can go to that link. Okay. So in 5 terms. So I will go directly for the DL Gen AI path here, because not a lot of people are doing the PDM path. So in this case, doing DBMS, PDSA, and MLF. So whatever is the case, please do MLF in the first term if you are taking DL Gen AI path. उसका एक रीजन बताता हूँ. एक नेचुरल प्रोग्रेशन है. द प्रोग्रेशन गोज, you are doing MLF and then you're doing MLT. MLF and MLT are like very math oriented courses. You will be covering a lot of math material here, from linear algebra to optimization theory to all these algorithms. So doing these in the first 2 terms is highly, highly recommended. And what is the meaning of correct speed to do the program recommended? Basically, IITM recommend करता है that if you are doing the program standalone, or if you are pursuing diploma in programming, diploma in data science, this is the recommended pace. बेसिकली हिंदी में किसको कहेंगे कि ये आईआईटीएम इसको ही कहता है कि आप ऐसे ही इसको परस्यू करो. Yes, Gaurav, you're correct. Would you recommend BDM or GenAI? Okay, so very good question here. BDM path is good for those who are, looking to work in consulting, and GenAI path is very good if you are looking to take technical subjects in the degree level, such as mathematical foundations of generative AI, deep learning practice. Because a DL GenAI covers everything which is in the first 3 weeks of LLMs, DL practice. You have two NPPs in the DL Gen AI theory. So taking Gen AI would be really good if you're planning to do core data science courses in the degree level. And if you're exiting with the diploma only, so if you're only doing diploma in data science, or if you're only doing diploma in programming, or so us case maybe Gen AI is going to be better because you cover all these basics of deep learning there. Yeah, we will explain the overview of these projects. First, we'll cover the 5-term path. Okay. So now, if you are doing the Gen AI path, taking MLF, MLT, MLP, I would also say if you are taking the Gen AI path, please complete MLP theory before you take the DL Gen AI theory. The reason is very simple. In the week 7 and week 8 of MLP, you will be covering MLP regressors and all the perceptron algorithms that are in scikit-learn. DL Gen AI is covering PyTorch, but you do need to have the knowledge of these week 7 and week 8 fundamentals. So although you can take DL Gen AI together with MLP, it's not recommended to do so. Okay. So also, if you are weak at coding, you should take SC in the second last term, or between the program in the middle term 3. The reason is very simple. SC covers the Unix philosophy, so it is a little bit harder to pass the OPP if you are not familiar with Linux. So also you can take SC in the third term. If you like plan to do the OPP in the next term, you can do that. You can be absent, and it takes I think repeat OPP takes 2000, and you can do the OPP in the next term. So Gen AI curriculum is more difficult than BDM, just asking for selection. No, both are hard. BDM project is harder than Gen AI project, but the Gen AI theory is harder than BA theory. BDM project बहुत मुश्किल है. It's not an easy project. You have to convince a business to give you private data, and then you have to convince the BDM team that your proposal, that the insights that you're extracting from the business are worth the final submission there. So 6 terms is very much recommended for people who are doing this as a dual degree. Yes, Niranjan.
Hello.
Yes.
Wait, let's just
Sir,
first complete the PPT, then we will take doubts. Okay.
I think
So,
so. With let him ask. It's alright. Let him ask.
okay, okay.
hello.
Yes, Niranjan.
Sir, I completed 4 courses in my first 3 terms. Not
Okay.
any one project till, but अभी नई पॉलिसी के हिसाब से फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स में आप 3 कोर्सेस और एक प्रोजेक्ट मैंडेटरी है.
नहीं, उसका आपको एक एकेडमिक वार्निंग मिलेगा, एंड यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल टू कंप्लीट 6 courses एंड 2 projects इन द 6 terms ऑफ योर डिप्लोमा लेवल. सो अभी आपको वार्निंग मिलेगा, एंड आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट यू टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स कंप्लीटिंग दोस 2 projects इन द नेक्स्ट 2 terms. आपका थर्ड टर्म हो गया है ना?
हाँ, थर्ड टर्म हो गया. मैंने 4 कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लिए, बट नॉट एनी वन प्रोजेक्ट एटलीस्ट.
ओके.
हाँ.
सो हाईली रिकमेंडेड दैट आप इस टर्म में और नेक्स्ट टर्म में प्रोजेक्ट्स को कंप्लीट कर दो, बिकॉज थर्ड टर्म में तो आपको वार्निंग मिलेगी, लेकिन सिक्स टर्म में इट इज ऑटोमेटिक रिमूवल. सो
Okay, thank
highly
you.
recommend you to take the projects. Okay,
Mm,
so let's cover in the six terms now. So six terms is highly recommended for those who are doing this dual degree. It is not recommended a lot for standalone students, because you can do it in like five terms. If you're doing it standalone, six terms मतलब आपके 2 years का total ये spread हो जाएगा. And if you took like three terms for foundation, it is like 3 years for diploma and foundation. uh, you can do it as a standalone person. It's very relaxed if you're doing it as standalone, but it is very good if you are doing a dual degree or you are a working professional. Six terms, 6 and 7 terms are very good for dual degree and working professionals.
thank you, sir. And any suggestion in this term for taking courses?
Yeah, we'll get to that once we cover this. So if anyone is in dual degree, again, if you are doing the Gen AI path, highly recommend you to take MLF in the first term. Please, MLF, MLT, and MLP, आप ये तीन subjects करोगे, only then you will get the gist of what TL Gen AI is about. Okay.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Any questions about the six terms? Any dual degree student here? Okay. Seven terms, it's a very relaxed pace, uh, very good for dual degree students. And I think अगर आप डुअल डिग्री कर रहे हो और आपकी बीटेक या आपकी बीसीए या बीएससी में हो और बीकॉम, मतलब एनी सब्जेक्ट या एनी डिग्री दैट यू आर डूइंग, 7 terms इज वेरी गुड पेस. बिकॉज ना आपको मतलब यू विल नॉट बी स्प्रेड बिटवीन योर ऑफलाइन डिग्री एंड द ऑनलाइन वन. So 7 terms is highly recommended if you are doing a very rigorous lab oriented degree like BTech and BCom, B Pharma if you have not done any, coding courses. So 7 terms is highly recommended for that. Okay. Any you want me to again reaffirm? In 7 terms, I would personally want you to do the MLF in the first term. So I'll be entering the degree level this term, but I'm so confused about the course. Okay. Okay, next slide, Sovit. I think terms discuss हो गए. Requirements you must fulfill. Okay, so there are new rules about the diploma level. जैसे निरंजन ने अभी बोला था. So within 3 terms, you have to complete three courses and one project. Otherwise, you'll be given a warning. आपको रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन आपको वार्निंग मिलेगी. बट द नेक्स्ट चेक पॉइंट विच इज 6 terms, you have to complete 6 courses and 2 projects. That is mandatory. If you are not able to complete 6 courses and 2 projects within at the 6 term mark, you will be removed from the program. So it is very important for you to understand the pacing, the selection. And for 9 terms, it is 9 courses and 3 projects. And maximum time to complete is 12 terms or 4 years. So please be very cautious about this. Projects are where a lot of people find difficulty in completing the checkpoint. And अगर आपको वार्निंग मिलता है, please take it seriously. If anyone is having a warning here, to complete 2 projects ASAP, like within this term or the next term. Okay. For students willing to do a diploma. So I think there were a lot of questions here as well. Should I make subjects or doing both diplomas separately? So if you are doing a dual degree, it is highly recommended to take one diploma at one time and then take the another diploma. It will take 5 to 6 terms to complete both diplomas, but it is highly recommended as आपका focus split नहीं होएगा. ठीक है. And if you are taking mixed subjects, which is doing it mixed diploma, it is highly recommended for standalone students. I won't recommend taking separate diplomas for standalone students, as what happens is कि अगर आप डिप्लोमा इन डेटा साइंस कर रहे हो एंड यू आर टेकिंग द जेन एआई पैथ, आपका डिप्लोमा इन डेटा साइंस 4 टर्म्स तक एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. विद डुअल डिग्री स्टूडेंट्स दे आर गेटिंग अ डिग्री एनीवे, सो यू नो उनको टर्म वाइज चीज का इतना ध्यान नहीं रखना पड़ता. लेकिन फॉर स्टैंड अलोन स्टूडेंट्स highly recommended take 5 to 6 terms. And for dual degree students, you can take mixed or you can take separately as well. With the separation one, आपको ये फायदा होएगा, you can register with the IIC and you will be eligible for internships earlier. Okay. What if you complete 3 term criteria, three course and 1 project, but you can't complete 2 project in 6 terms? Yes, you will be removed from the program. Completing a previous checkpoint has no effect on the other one. So if you have completed 3 courses and 1 project, you still need to complete 2 projects within 6 terms or 2 years. Okay. Path discuss कर लेते हैं for students willing to do 1 diploma at a time. So diploma in is MAD 1 theory and MAD 1 project manageable? Yes, it is manageable if you have a previous coding experience. But if you don't have any previous coding experience, you might find a little bit difficulty with the Flask and making database models and all that stuff. So diploma in programming is doable in 2 terms if you are strong at coding. Um, it is going to be hectic, but it is very doable in 2 terms. And the path here, I would not change anything here. DBMS, App Dev 1 theory, App Dev 1 project, a little bit hard, but doable hai. What one switch you can make is you can swap PDSA for system commands if you are taking the 2 term path. Now 3 terms is highly recommended. 3 terms में it's for standalone students हो जाएगा. What do you mean by coding experience? Are you referring to the Python that you studied in foundation? Partly yes. Also, if you have some experience with Java, so a lot of people have studied Java during their secondary schooling, and if you have coded like any project before, not only Python, any project, if you have made like games in C, or if you have the you know web dev experience, you've done some JavaScript, it would be very easy to do app dev 2 theory as we use Vue.js in that. Now 3 terms highly recommended for I'm not at the degree level, I'm in the last term of my diploma, so I don't think I'm the right person to discuss the degree level in this session. I think Abhishek is in degree level, he would be more apt.
Actually, Isaac is not present in this session, or
Okay.
he would have been doing that.
We can note down the query once and we can let them know in the G space or in the study group.
Okay, sure, perfect. So 3 terms highly recommended if you are doing it standalone, and 4 terms a very good pace if you are doing dual degree, and dual degree students can also do the 3 term pace. It's going to be a little bit harder with the other degree, but 4 terms you can do it like very easily. Just focus on doing the projects. That is going to be very important as we've discussed the checkpoints. Within 6 terms, you have to complete 6 courses and 2 projects. There are no exceptions. Okay, so please take that in mind. Uh, let's go to the diploma in data science now. So diploma in data science, personally, I would not recommend anyone to do in 2 terms. The last term, the term 2 here, MLP, TDS, MLP project, it gets a little bit hectic because TDS has been changed now. So the entire course has been restructured. And what are the total number of projects? 4 projects. And if you are doing the Gen AI path, then definitely don't go for the 2 term path. Don't go for it. Um I'm currently doing the Gen AI project, so it is very, you have to, the commit history, the things you are committing to your GitHub, it is consistently checked for 3 weeks. Otherwise, your project is not considered in Gen AI, the Gen AI path. Okay. So for 2 terms, don't take the 2 term में Gen AI वाला path मत लेना. It's not recommended at all. 3 terms recommended, yes, but if you're taking the DL Gen AI path, it's going to be a little bit hard to do MLF and MLT together. However, it is doable. So 3 terms again, the recommended path, for standalone students, not for dual degree students who are doing the DL Gen AI path. And even BDM project for dual degree students is going to be very hectic, as आपको एक business को approach करके उनके साथ consistently work करना पड़ता है. You have to make an Excel sheet, and it's not recommended for dual degree students to go for the 3-term path. Okay, 4 terms, very good path if you are weak at maths, and MLF में अगर आपको issue है, you can go for the 4-term path. Okay, and for dual degree students, this is going to be the recommended pace for diploma in data science. Okay, doing both Gen AI theory and project at the same time really gives very less. Yeah, yes, right, Sneh. It's very hectic. Okay. Isn't BDM project and Gen AI project optional? No, the path is an option, but you have to complete one of the projects, either BDM plus BA or DL Gen AI theory plus Gen AI project.
It's optional, but not in the way that you can just simply leave them. You have to choose one of them.
Okay, any dual degree students who want to know about diploma in data science, diploma in programming? Anyone? Or we should move forward. Okay, let's
Okay,
let's go
Mukesh
forward.
Gupta, you have raised your hand.
Yeah, I am a foundation level student. So I had taken 4 courses earlier, and I just wanted to know now, should I continue with one more term, or should I take 2 terms to complete remaining 4 courses?
Okay, do you plan to join any college in August?
I'm
You know
actually
that.
a professional with a law right now with a career break.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So, see, are you comfortable with mathematics and stats?
Stats, yeah. So I've got a S in CT and English, but I've got B in maths, so I'm planning to repeat maths 1. Stats, I've got A grade, so I'm okay with that. So would you recommend
Okay.
repeating the course also?
I
Is that
okay, so repeating the course is never recommended. It's improvement. It's never recommended by ITM, as you have like a lot of other courses, and a B grade is actually a good grade. A B grade is like 8, right? So
yeah.
it's not a bad grade at all.
Okay,
Personally, I won't recommend improving Maths 1, and but I would suggest you to take 3 terms for foundation.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And what would be the combination that you recommend for
Um,
4?
in this term, you can take English 2 and Maths 2.
Okay, and then Python and stats.
Python and Stats 2, yeah. And that's going to be a good combination. Doing Maths 2 and Python is also doable, but I won't recommend if you don't have any experience with the coding. As
Yeah, I don't have any coding experience, but I'm an engineering student, but that was long back.
Okay, I would say it's better to do English 2 and Maths 2 then.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
got it. Thank you so much.
No issues. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Yatin, you're audible.
Yeah, so I am a dual degree student. So my question is actually my CGPA is quite a bit low. It is around 7.2 or something. But I have so the next term, which is now, I have to take a project. I have completed 2 terms in diploma right now. So
Okay.
what my question is, should I the next term should I take MAD one and MAD one project? Considering the fact that I am a BTech student and I have coding knowledge and stuff, but the point here is my CGPA is low. I don't want because moving forward, I've already finished DBMS, Java, and PDSA. I don't want to lower my CGPA. So will it be hectic or how do I go? Okay, shall I take the warning this time and make sure that when the next checkpoint I complete 2 projects? How do I go on this?
I think taking the warning would be better, because if you are concerned about CGPA, MAD 1 project is a little, it's not very tough, but it does require like the Viva is a little bit, challenging. So you have to cover like Mad 1 theory in depth. However, you will have an advantage if you are doing both the theory and project together. I think you get time. The usual deadline is July 14th, but you get 1 month extra. I think it's August something, and also you get 5 bonus marks if you not 5 bonus marks. You are evaluated on 105, not bonus marks. Sorry.
I think bonus marks are gone. No?
Yeah, no
Bonus marks
bonus.
used to
But
be
if you
there
are
before.
take okay, let me check the document.
The
I've-
range increases, I guess. It's out of 105.
Yeah, it's evaluated out of 105.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
so if you have like good fundamentals, yeah, for the same term you are evaluated out of 105. So if you're taking theory and project together, you have an advantage of like this evaluation out of 105. And if your coding fundamentals are strong, I would highly suggest you to start working now in the term
Is
break itself.
okay. Is it a major the 105? Will it make a major difference or something, or is just a
Uh,
small?
it
Yeah,
is
it
an
really.
advantage.
Yeah,
Yeah,
something.
Afreen go.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
it's not an advantage, I would say. It really depends. Like if you prepared, if you make up your mind and you're preparing in advance for the project, it will help you out somehow. But see, I didn't had the chance. Okay, so I had submitted my project after I had passed the range, and my project was evaluated at 100 marks. And the only problem was I had to submit my project earlier. If I had not submitted my project, the next term I would have received a warning. So I would say the pressure increases on you because somehow you have to realize that in this term itself you have to submit the project. Otherwise, there will be some consequences. So if you're very good at pressure handling, you can like take the project in the September term. But I would suggest you personally that since the rules are changing a lot in IITM, take the project in this term itself. Do not take the risk.
uh, okay, so maybe like both the courses in this term because the next month I have
Are you
my
taking
final offline college exam.
you
It
you
will
taking
be
any
for me.
other okay. Are you taking any other course along with Mad One?
Yeah, I am doing BTech offline. No, I'll take one course like the next term for the next term. I'm planning for that.
Are you good? Are you good in coding?
Yeah, I'm fairly good. I can do it.
And okay, and this is the first time you're taking Mad One project, right?
Yeah, no, but the prerequisite is Mad One theory. No, theory I haven't finished.
No, 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 no. I'm saying, let's just assume you're taking Mad One theory. I'm asking about the
Okay,
Mad One project. This is the first time you'll
okay.
be taking the project, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is the first time. Yeah,
Because the Mad One theory you'll be taking.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I would say take both of them together. Uh,
Okay,
Pay more attention to the theory first, and I would say start preparing for the project. If you get stuck and if your commitment is towards your offline college and you have a lot of things on your plate and you're not able to do the project can be carried forward to the September term.
will it require any extra amount to be paid to carry forward, or will it become a
No, no, no,
backlog
no.
kind of thing?
The fee get no, no, the fee gets carried over. It will be credited to your student wallet.
Okay.
And in the next term, you just have, like in the September term, you just have to make sure that you add the project to your, the courses and the projects that you'll be taking up.
It'll not be like a re thing. It is just like carry forward. It will not affect
No, 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 no.
anything.
You just get, no, no, nothing, nothing. Not even your CGPA. You will just get an I grade. That is an
Okay.
incomplete grade. It does not affect anything. Because I'm telling
Okay.
you this because if you happen to complete the project this term, well and good, you get your marks out of 105. If you
Okay.
don't happen to complete your project this term, you'll always have the September term to complete.
Okay. So it's a win-win
Rather,
situation.
yeah, it's a win-win. Rather than risking yourself and in the September term you receive a warning and then even you will not you have a lot of pressure on your head to complete the project in September term itself. Why do you take that much of risk, right?
Yeah, true. So if this can be carry forward, then I will take the
Yeah,
both
yeah, it
the
can be carry
courses.
forward. The only
Yeah.
demerit of this would be you have to submit your project in the first batch. So there will
Okay.
be two batches in which you have to submit your project. It would be 1 month apart almost.
Okay.
So you would have to submit your project in the first month if you take up your project in September. Like if you carry forward your project. The
If
only demerit is that. It's not even a
if
demerit, I would say. Yeah.
okay, if things get too hectic, can I wipe code it?
No, please don't do
No,
that.
don't do that.
Okay, they will
There's
Please.
a
scrutinize in the.
Oh, if you will not pass the plagiarism check. Please don't do that. Please don't
yeah.
do that.
They actually very strict about the plagiarism thing, and they have a model to check that, and they keep checking your project over and over again, unless and until your scores are pushed into the portal.
Our friend has a pretty good experience with that.
I have a pretty good experience because my project was falsely pushed into that, and I had to literally fight for it. But those things aside, I would say they are pretty strict about it, and just do not take any risk. This is for everybody going forward. Do not take any risk with ITM. The rules are getting stricter with each term, so be on the safer side always.
Okay, so I'll not wipe code then. I'll not get into
Do
that.
not, do not, do not, do not. You
See,
cannot do
even
that.
if you okay, sorry
Uh,
to interrupt you, Afreen.
yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
with projects, even if you have used like LLMs to understand the architecture, you have to declare it in the report. So please don't use AI to code anything. The proctors, they know how to question you. You will get caught. Please don't take the vibe coding approach to any of these projects.
Even to
You
understand things.
Yes,
Uh,
you have to declare it.
see, you can use AI to understand what you're doing and where you're getting stuck and how you can improve that. But do not straight away copy the code. What mostly students do is, and why they get stuck and why they fail the project thing is, they try to copy the thing from AI,
okay.
because somehow by like basic knowledge you'll pass the first viva, but 101% you'll get stuck in level 2 viva, because they ask each and everything from your project, and they are very smart. They will know when you have copied it from AI.
Each line by line they go.
Not see, it's not something which can be predicted, but if
Hmm.
you have made the project yourself, you'll be thorough with it.
Okay, makes sense. So thank you. This was my question. Maybe I took a lot of time, but sorry. Yeah.
That's all right. That's right. Sartha, you can take up the rest of the questions here.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Afreen. Thank you for your valuable inputs. So, Mukesh.
Yes, sir. Excuse me. Can I talk? Can I continue in Hindi?
हाँ जी हिंदी में कर लो आप आराम से
Actually,
कोई इशू नहीं है
this time I have taken means this is my third term in diploma, and
ओके
मैंने दो टर्म तीसरा मैंने फाइव थ्योरी एंड वन प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया है.
ओके
तो अब मैं इस टर्म में एक्चुअली मेन थिंग ये कि मैंने जो मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट किया था वो मतलब उसमें डी ग्रेड आया है, मतलब लेस देन 7 सीजीपी हो गया.
ओके
तो
ओके
एक्चुअली मेरा प्लान है कि मैं जैसे इसको बीएससी डिग्री में परस्यू करना चाहता हूँ.
नो आप एक बार एक जैसे आपने डिप्लोमा पास कर लिया ना तो आप
पास
डिग्री
नहीं है,
लेवल में
टू
कोई
टू फाइव सब्जेक्ट्स.
ओके आप इसको रीडू कर सकते हो आई थिंक आई हैव टू
नो नो नो
आस्क
नो नॉट अलाउड ना,
आफरीन
नॉट अलाउड एक्चुअली.
हाँ
इनका
हाँ
इनका जो लॉ रूल है, मैंने पूछा था, मैंने इसमें सेशन पूछा था. उन्होंने कहा था कि टर्म ये है कि कंडीशन है कि आपकी 7 सीजीपी होनी चाहिए, लेकिन और मोर होनी चाहिए. लेकिन आप ये एप्लीकेबल तब है जबकि आप सारे प्रोजेक्ट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद लास्ट में कैलकुलेट होता है.
हाँ वो 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स की एवरेज आपकी 7 के अंडर होगी तो आपको अलाउ करते हैं ना
हाँ, वो है. तो एक्चुअली एक्चुअली मैं इसको 5 टर्म में कभी कंप्लीट करना चाहता हूँ,
ओके।
जो तो अब मेरा इशू है कि अगर मान लो सपोज कम रह गया मेरा, तो क्या एक टर्म मुझे एक्स्ट्रा खराब करनी पड़ेगी अगर प्रोजेक्ट?
यस, वो तो टर्म एक्स्ट्रा आपका जाएगा, बिकॉज आई थिंक आईआईटीएम यू और आई को ही रिपीट करने देता है। इफ यू हैव अ ग्रेड यू कांट
हाँ
इम्प्रूव प्रोजेक्ट्स अनलेस
हाँ।
उसकी 4 की एवरेज 7 के अंडर होती है, तो एक टर्म लगता है, वो भी आपको 1 टर्म मेरे ख्याल से इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलता है।
अच्छा, ये मैं पूछ चाहता हूँ कि जैसे कि मेरा सपोज मैं थ्योरी कोर्स पूरा कर लिया, और जैसे पूरी लास्ट में जैसे एवरेज एवरेज बन के आई, सपोज 7 से कुछ कम रह गई, सपोज कुछ भी कम रह गई,
यस,
तो
6.8 अब अज्यूम कर लेते
हाँ,
हैं जैसे।
तो अगर तो क्या मुझे बीएससी लेवल में जाने दिया नहीं जाएगा मुझे?
नहीं नहीं, अनलेस एंड अनटिल 12 कोर्सेज और 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीटेड हैं, यू कांट गो टू बीएससी
नो
लेवल।
नो मैं दूंगा कि अगर जैसे मैंने सीजीपी मेरी आ गई 6 से ऊपर आ गई थ्योरी में, और
हम्म।
प्रोजेक्ट में थोड़ी सी कम रह गई, तो क्या वो तब भी
नहीं
अलाउ नहीं
नहीं,
करेंगे?
स्टिल स्टिल नॉट अलाउड, स्टिल नॉट अलाउड।
हाँ, तो उन्होंने कुछ इसमें लिखा था कि दे आर अलाउड टू इम्प्रूव द प्रोजेक्ट, ये कुछ ऐसा था
यस
इसमें।
यस, आपको एक टर्म दिया जाएगा जिसमें प्रोजेक्ट को 7 के ऊपर
अच्छा अच्छा।
खींच के ले जाओ। अगर वो नहीं होता तो फिर आपको डिप्लोमा में एग्जिट लेना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको बीएससी अलाउड
अच्छा,
नहीं
तो
करते।
दैट शुड बी डन बिफोर एडमिशन टू बीएससी, दैट आई।
यस, बट आपको एग्जिट में डिप्लोमा मिल जाएगा। आपका डिप्लोमा वो
अच्छा अच्छा।
इनवैलिड नहीं होएगा। अगर
हाँ
आपके 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स डन है और 12 कोर्सेज डन है, आपको अगर सीजीपी का रिक्वायरमेंट सिर्फ बीएससी लेवल में जाने का है, वो आपके
हाँ
डिप्लोमा पे इफेक्ट नहीं आता, आप डिप्लोमा लेके एग्जिट कर सकते हो।
हाँ। तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं? अब जैसे मैंने 5 सब्जेक्ट कर लिए इसमें कि जैसे मैंने
कौन से
डीबीएमएस,
सब्जेक्ट्स हैं?
मैंने सब्जेक्ट मैंने जो क्लियर कर लिया बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको। मैं एमएलएफ कर लिया, एमएलटी कर लिया, डीबीएमएस कर लिया, मैडन थ्योरी कर लिया, और पांचवा एक एंड मैडन थ्योरी कर लिया, एंड और एक प्रोजेक्ट मैंने मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट किया मैंने।
ओके।
एक पीडीएस से कर लिया मैंने। अब
पीडीएस,
मुझे
ओके।
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट इस टाइम में लेना चाहिए?
देखो, आपको कोई भी है जैसे प्रोजेक्ट करना पड़ेगा तो भी आप एमएलपी लोगे तो ही आपको एमएलपी प्रोजेक्ट अलाउड
हाँ
होगा,
बिल्कुल, हाँ
या अगर आप मैट टू थ्योरी लोगे तो ही आपको मैट टू का
हाँ,
प्रोजेक्ट अलाउड
करेक्ट
होगा।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
तो अगर आपका मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा गया था, या फिर आप कोडिंग की तरफ, क्योंकि आपने
हाँ
पीडीएस और वो सारे कर लिए हैं, मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आप मैट टू थ्योरी और मैट टू का प्रोजेक्ट अगले 2 टर्म्स में
हाँ।
जरूर फिनिश कर दें।
नहीं, हाँ हाँ, अगले टाइम में ना, अगले टाइम में ना।
या मतलब इन 2 टर्म्स में आप कर उनको जरूर प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे फिनिश कर लें।
नहीं, मैं जो प्लान किया बता आपको, मैं जो प्लान किया वो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप बताइए कैसे। जैसे मैंने
ओके।
सोचा इस टर्म में मैंने एमएलपी लिया है ना, और
ओके।
एमएलपी के बाद मैट टू थ्योरी मैंने प्लान किया है, और एक बीडीएम थ्योरी लिया है, मैंने प्लान किया है मैंने।
ओके।
तो ये ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं इसलिए चाहता हूँ कि जैसे नेक्स्ट टाइम में अगर एमएलपी मैंने लिया है तो एमएलपी प्रोजेक्ट मेरा नेक्स्ट टाइम हो जाएगा। मैट टू थ्योरी लिया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैट टू प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं 2 प्रोजेक्ट में कर लूंगा।
हाँ, ये डुएबल है आपका, जो
हाँ
मैट टू थ्योरी और एमएलपी थ्योरी थोड़ा हेक्टिक होगा लेकिन डुएबल है, डुएबल है ये।
हाँ। और दूसरा मैं बीडीएम, इसलिए मैंने थर्ड सब्जेक्ट लिया है, बीडीएम थ्योरी लिया है, जिससे कि थोड़ा प्रेशर नहीं पड़े ज्यादा।
आप बीडीएम प्रोजेक्ट का पाथ ऑप्ट कर
नहीं,
रहे हैं?
प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, बीडीएम थ्योरी नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट तो मैंने एक्चुअली मैंने जेएनआई मैंने पास चूज किया
ठीक है,
मैंने।
ठीक है,
तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जेएनआई सब्जेक्ट चूज करूंगा मैं।
ठीक है। ओके ओके, या पाथ ठीक है, गुड है।
एक्चुअली तो मतलब ये 5 टर्म में दैट्स ओके फॉर मी।
um, देखो, अगर आप डीएल जेने वाले पाथ में जा रहे हो तो 6 टर्म एक माइंड में लेके जरूर चलिएगा, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट टर्म आप डीएल जेने का थ्योरी करेंगे और हो सकता है कि जेने के प्रोजेक्ट में थोड़े से हिकअप्स आ सकते हैं, या जेने के थ्योरी में मतलब आपको ना थोड़ा सा हार्ड हो सकता है, तो वो।
एक्चुअली हाँ, यू मीन्स एक्चुअली क्या है, हालांकि मैं आई एम ए वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, मैं आई एम मीन्स एंटरप्रेन्योर, लेकिन मेरा इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड है, मेरा लास्ट टाइम मतलब फिर मैं 56 मेरी एज है, लेकिन मेरा इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड रहा हुआ मेरा। तो क्या कितना मान के चलना चाहिए मुझे टर्म टर्म?
आई कांट रियली सजेस्ट एनीथिंग, मतलब मैं इसमें कोई
ना ना, मतलब नहीं, मतलब हाउ मच मैं 5 टर्म में मैं एक्चुअली मेरा अभी तक 5 टर्म
सी,
में मैंने।
मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि अगर आप जेएनआई का बात कर रहे हो, आप 5 टर्म्स में ट्राई करो, लेकिन आप डीमोटिवेट मत होना, 6 टर्म्स माइंड में लेके जरूर चलना, ठीक है?
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ
ठीक है ओके
ठीक है,
ओके
बट आप प्रोजेक्ट्स को जरूर प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे भी कंप्लीट कर लो,
हाँ
ठीक है?
बिल्कुल
ओके,
ओके ओके
थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट वन।
हेलो।
आई थिंक इट्स स्वाई, आई एम सॉरी अगर मैं गलत प्रोनाउंस कर रहा हूँ। थिंक स्वाइचिक, स्वैचिक।
Yes, sir. Sarthak, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, so my doubt was regarding the mentorship program that happens regarding the tutoring, extra tutoring. And
Yes.
within the diploma level, I wanted to ask when will it start in this term and what will be the
You will
approx
be
fees
sent
for
an
it per
email.
course?
You will be sent an email. I think the fees is around 2000. Uh, I think Sovit, it is 2000, right?
Actually, I also forgot. I need to
Yeah.
check that out.
I'm very sorry. I can't remember. I think it's 2000 or a little bit higher. 2000 के आसपास है. You will be getting
Okay,
the
and
email from the IITM student, sorry, the IITM, student वाली जो होती है term की email आती है. You will fill the form and you will get a mentor assigned to you.
okay, I also wanted to ask that if I apply for mentorship in like Madden theory, can I expect some kind of guidance from the tutor regarding
Oh
Madden
yes,
project if I
yes.
take both in the same term?
Uh, Not directly, but they will be helpful. Not directly because Mad One project has separate boot camps that will be online and offline boot camps. So it's not directly Mad One project related, but if you have done like Mad One theory and you have done the screencasts, it's more than enough.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Next is Ankit.
हेलो।
Hi Ankit.
सो ये आप लोग तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बोल रहे हो कि प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ सब सफ़र करते हैं बाद में, राइट?
Yes.
तो मैं 5 टर्म पाथ का सोच रहा हूँ, दोनों डिप्लोमा साथ में करने के लिए, स्टैंड अलोन।
Okay. Okay.
तो टर्म 2 में मुझे मैड 1 थ्योरी एंड प्रोजेक्ट उसका साथ में लेके फिर मैड 2 थ्योरी और एमएलपी एंड एससी करना चाहिए, या फिर मैड 2 मतलब दोनों का थ्योरी एंड प्रोजेक्ट साथ में करना चाहिए टर्म 2 एंड 3 में, या फिर ऐसे अलग-अलग ही सही रहेगा?
देखो अगर आप स्टैंड अलोन हो तो काफी गुड पाथ होएगा अगर आप थ्योरी करके नेक्स्ट टर्म में प्रोजेक्ट्स लो।
ओके।
अगर आप स्टैंड अलोन हो,
हाँ।
आपको ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा क्योंकि आप एक थ्योरी को अच्छे तरीके से कवर कर लोगे एंड आपका वाइवा और सारे के सारे चीज़ें कवर्ड हो जाएँगी।
ओके, और ये जैसे सिस्टम कमांड्स आपने बोला कि लिनक्स के साथ जो फ़ैमिलियर नहीं
हाँ,
है, वो थोड़ा
लिनक्स के
सफ़र
साथ
करें।
है।
हाँ,
येस।
so I'm not familiar with Linux obviously, and मैं जैसे एमएलपी प्रोजेक्ट तो एक मेजर प्रोजेक्ट है, मैं एक कहीं देखा था,
हुँ, हुँ।
राइट? और और डीएल जेन एआई थ्योरी भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी मैथ हैवी एंड कोडिंग हैवी है आई गेस।
इट्स नॉट मैथ हेवी, आई वुड से इट्स मोर फैक्ट हेवी।
ओके,
जैसे आपको एनकोडर्स, डिकोडर्स क्योंकि इसमें 3 डिग्री लेवल कोर्सेज़ का ना बेसिकली सिंथेसाइज़ किया हुआ है मटीरियल।
ओके,
तो उसका बहुत बेसिक लेवल है लेकिन स्टिल इट्स अ लिटिल बिट हार्ड।
ओके। सो एचसी अगर मैं टर्म 3 में करके मैथ 2 थ्योरी ऐसे पहले कर लूँ तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, या फिर ऐसे एमएलटी और एमएलपी फिर सेकंड टर्म में लेके, या फिर मेरे को 4 कोर्सेज फर्स्ट टर्म में करने चाहिए जैसे मैड 1 थ्योरी, डीबीएमएस, पीडीएस और एमएलएफ?
ओके, देखो पीडीएसए इज़ अ हार्ड कोर्स
हुँ,
एंड आई वुड से कि एमएलएफ तो आप करो ही करो फर्स्ट टर्म में, ठीक है?
हाँ,
एंड देखो सिस्टम कमांड्स इज़ नॉट हार्ड, मतलब 8 टू 10 वीक्स का उसका पूरा मटीरियल है एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि जैसे वो होता है वीएम के ऊपर,
हुँ,
ठीक है? एंड उसमें बैश स्क्रिप्टिंग का काफ़ी, जिसमें प्रैक्टिस बहुत चाहिए उसमें बेसिकली, वो कि ऑक है, सेड है, ग्रेप है, तो वो 3-4 टूल्स ऐसे हैं कि आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए एंड इट विल टेक अ लिटिल बिट टाइम। एक जनरल गाइडलाइन मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप एससी को लास्ट टर्म में मत रखो और जल्दी से जल्दी आप एमएलटी को फिनिश कर लो। ये 2 गाइडलाइंस हैं बहुत सिंपल, बाकी सारा आपके मैथमेटिक्स और आपके कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है।
ओके।
ठीक है?
बीडीएम थ्योरी तो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं है ना?
नहीं देखो बीडीएम थ्योरी भी हार्ड है क्योंकि उसमें आपका जो जब मैंने बीडीएम थ्योरी करी थी तब आरओई होता था, तो अब तो ग्रेडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट भी चेंज हो गया, तो मैं कमेंट नहीं कर सकता, वो भी कोर्स रिस्ट्रक्चर हुआ है। लेकिन उसमें ना थ्योरी पार्ट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं, जैसे फैक्ट बहुत हेवी है उसमें
अच्छा,
एंड उसका जो ग्रेडिंग जो भी करंट है तो 50% आपका फाइनल पे डिपेंड करता है, तो उसको लाइटली नहीं ले सकते।
अच्छा।
तो वो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि आप उसमें लाइट मत लेना, बीडीएम थ्योरी भी हार्ड है क्योंकि इसमें एक्सेल और वो सारे के सारे आपके इकोनॉमिक्स के फंडामेंटल्स आते हैं, एबीसी टेस्टिंग एंड सारा का सारा।
ओके। और ऐसा हो सकता है क्या कि लाइक मैं ये सोच रहा था जैसे डीबीएमएस, पीडीएस और एमएलएफ तो मैं ऐसे ऑफिशियल वाइज लूँगा आईआईटीएम के उस पे, ठीक?
ठीक है
और
जी।
हाँ, और मैं ये सोच रहा था कि मैड वन थ्योरी प्लेलिस्ट तो यूट्यूब में अवेलेबल होती है।
हम्म।
तो मैड वन थ्योरी मैं अपने से थोड़ा-थोड़ा करते जाऊँगा, तो एटलीस्ट मेरा टर्म 2 के मिड तक मेरा मैड वन थ्योरी थोड़ा खत्म हो जाएगा पूरा।
देखो इफ यू आर डूइंग पीडीएस या डीबीएमएस एमएलएफ,
हुँ,
मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा कि आप साइड में ना मैड वन थ्योरी को मतलब ऐसे वॉच करो। व्हाट आई
हुँ,
वुड रिकमेंड इज कि इस टर्म ब्रेक में या फिर अगले टर्म ब्रेक में, क्योंकि अभी आपके पास जून 12 तक ब्रेक है, राइट?
हुँ,
1 मंथ है अराउंड, तो 1 मंथ
हुँ,
से थोड़ा सा कम है, 3 वीक्स हैं। तो आप उस
हुँ।
पे फोकस कर सकते हो कि आप अभी मैड वन थ्योरी के थोड़े थोड़े पार्ट्स कवर कर लो या फिर आप फ्लास्क के ट्यूटोरियल्स देख लो। आई थिंक वॉचिंग ट्यूटोरियल्स वुड हेल्प एंड
अच्छा,
क्योंकि जो थ्योरी पार्ट है वो तो आप कोर्स के साथ ही कवर करोगे।
ओके।
हम्म।
और एक्चुअली यही ब्रेक में पढ़ने वाला बात तो मैं पीडीएस से जैसे हार्ड कोर्स है तो मैं पहले से ही पीडीएस और डीबीएमएस दोनों स्टार्ट कर चुका हूँ। टीबीएस
ओके।
डीबीएमएस का वीक 2 में हूँ
ठीक है।
और पीडीएसए का मैं वीक 4 कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ ग्राफ्स तक।
ओके ओके। ठीक है, आप
हाँ,
ग्राफ एल्गोरिदम्स तक आ गए हो, ठीक है।
हाँ, डीएफएस सर्च और लास्ट के 2 लेक्चर्स और बाकी हैं बस।
ओके। नहीं, आप
फिर
परफेक्ट पेस कर रहे हो, फिर तो आप इस टर्म में कर लो अपना पीडीएस या डीबीएमएस एमएलएफ, ये आप
हुँ,
3 करो।
हुँ। और उसके साथ मतलब आगे के कोर्सेज़ थोड़ा-थोड़ा पढ़ना ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसा है कि ठीक रहेगा?
देखो अगर आप मैनेज कर सकते हो तो यू कैन डू इट,
हुँ,
बट यूजुअली जैसे पीडीएसए में डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग है, मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आप
हुँ।
फिर अपना फोकस सारा पीडीएसए पे अभी रखो।
अच्छा,
ठीक है?
ओके,
ओके।
ठीक है। और ये जैसे प्रोजेक्ट टर्म 3 में इसमें पाथ में दिखाया गया है।
ओके। हाँ जी।
तो ऐसा है कि लेट्स से मैं मैड वन थ्योरी टर्म 2 में मतलब ऐसे अभी से करते-करते थोड़ा-थोड़ा पहले ही कंप्लीट कर ले, तो ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि मतलब मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट मतलब मैड वन थ्योरी से रिलेटेड ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट बना के फिर टर्म 3 में सबमिट कर दे, टर्म 2 में ही थोड़ा-थोड़ा करते-करते?
देखो आपकी जो मैड वन की प्रोजेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है ना, वो जो
हुँ,
प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, वो
हुँ,
हर टर्म में चेंज होती है फॉर मैड वन। तो
ओके,
जैसे लास्ट टर्म मेरे ख्याल से प्लेसमेंट पोर्टल था,
हुँ,
अ, उससे पिछले टर्म में हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम था, इस टर्म में एक सॉरी सॉरी इस टर्म में वो आपका है ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम, ट्रैकिंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। तो अगर आप इस टर्म में ट्रैकिंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम बना लेते हो, आपको कोई भी ऐसे गारंटी नहीं है कि वो नेक्स्ट टर्म के अंदर उसके रिलेटेड कुछ हो। तो वो
ओके,
यही है कि आप नेक्स्ट टर्म की प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में ही करना, वो एंड टर्म के 1-2 दिन बाद आ जाता है।
ओके।
या
सो
उसमें आप टर्म ब्रेक में कर सकते हो।
ओके। सो ये मतलब टर्म 2 के टर्म ब्रेक में वो मैड वन प्रोजेक्ट में स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ।
आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, आपको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट मिल जाएगा। बस आपने इतना ध्यान रखना है कि आप जो इनका एक कोलैबोरेशन वाला डॉक्यूमेंट होता है गिट कोलैबोरेटर, वो फिल
हुँ।
कर देना। उसकी डेडलाइंस का ध्यान रखना बस, ठीक है?
ओके, मतलब मेरे को वहाँ पर ऐसा गिटहब प्रोफाइल देके वहाँ दिखाना पड़ेगा कि
यस,
मैंने
वो
किया है।
प्रोसेस आपको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में सारा का सारा आउटलाइन्ड है।
तो वो टर्म 3 के स्टार्ट होने के बाद ही करना पड़ेगा कि ऐसे ब्रेक
यस,
में ही
वो टर्म
जैसे
टर्म 3 के टर्म 3 जब स्टार्ट होगा तब मैड वन कोलैबोरेटर्स आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को देखेंगे ना फॉर्म्स में, तो वो फॉर्म आता है। पर तब तक आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं, जैसे आपके डेटाबेस मॉडल्स हैं सीक्वल एल्केमी में, और आपकी जो बेसिक एपीआई स्ट्रक्चर है, आर्किटेक्चर है, बिजनेस लॉजिक है, वो आप बना सकते हो। ठीक है।
Okay. और ये मैट टू प्रोजेक्ट और बाकी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स के भी ऐसा स्टेटमेंट्स चेंज होते हैं कि उसके सेम रहते
मैट टू का जो प्रोजेक्ट है, वो जो स्टेटमेंट रिलीज होती है वो 8 मंथ्स के लिए वैलिड होती है। एंड
हैं? ओके।
एमएलपी और अपना डीएल ये इनकी भी नई नई स्टेटमेंट्स आती हैं।
अच्छा, इन दोनों की भी हर टर्म नई स्टेटमेंट्स आती
नई
हैं और बस।
स्टेटमेंट्स आती हैं।
ओके, और बस मैट टू की 2 टर्म्स तक रहती हैं।
यस, और एमएलपी एंड जेनए वाले जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो रिलेटिवली ग्रेडेड होते हैं।
तो
उसमें
हाँ, बोलिए।
तो रिलेटिव ग्रेड में क्या होता है कि जो टॉप स्टूडेंट है और जो आपका वो स्टूडेंट है, उनमें नॉर्मलाइजेशन होती है। तो एमएलपी प्रोजेक्ट भी आप तब करें जब आप पूरे उसमें कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि आपको सारे बेसिक्स आते हैं। वो आप जब एमएलपी कोर्स करेंगे तो उसमें 3 कैगल असाइनमेंट्स होती हैं, उसमें वो कवर हो जाएगा। ठीक है।
अच्छा, ठीक है। सो
ओके।
मैट टू का स्टेटमेंट टर्म 1 और टर्म 2 का तो अभी आ गया होगा, जैसे जनवरी टर्म और मई टर्म के लिए।
यस, तो जैसे लास्ट टर्म में हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम था, वो
हाँ।
इस टर्म में भी वैलिड है, और जैसे इस टर्म में भी ट्रैकिंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम आया, दिस इज
हाँ।
वैलिड फॉर मई एंड सितंबर टर्म।
ओके, सितंबर टर्म।
या
सो टर्म। ओके, सो मैट टू प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए भी मैं आइडियाज और उसका जैसा कोड स्ट्रक्चर रखना है, अगर मेरा थ्योरी पहले कंप्लीट हो गया है तो मैं स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ।
यस, बट मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप अगर सेम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप मैड वन और मैड टू को विद इन द सेम या सब्सिक्वेंट टर्म्स करें, अदरवाइज वो चेंज हो जाएगा। एंड ऑल्सो
हाँ।
मैड टू का जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो डिफरेंट होता है, वो व्यू और अपना रेडिस बेस्ड होता है।
अच्छा।
या उसका वो आपका सारा चेंज हो जाएगा,
ओके।
जो आर्किटेक्चर है, जो बिजनेस लॉजिक होएगा।
और ये मतलब पीडीएसए के कंपैरिजन में एमएलपी और डीएल जेएनएआई मतलब बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड होता है, या मतलब ऑलमोस्ट इक्विवेलेंट ही होता है?
PDSA is technically the hardest course in diploma in programming.
अच्छा।
एंड अभी रेटिंग्स पुराने हो गए हैं, तो अगर आप डिप्लोमा इन डीएस देख रहे हो तो उसमें 3 सबसे हार्ड कोर्स होंगे आपके, एमएलटी, टीडीएस एंड आई वोंट से डीएलजेनए इज वेरी हार्ड। एमएलपी कैन बी चैलेंजिंग बट वो भी मुश्किल नहीं है। तो मतलब एमएलटी और टीडीएस इज गोइंग टू बी हार्डर, वो कंपैरेबल होंगे।
ओके।
डीएलजेनए हो जाएगा अगर आप क्योंकि वो फैक्ट बेस्ड है, उसमें मैथमेटिक्स जो भी है ना आपकी एमएलटी और एमएलपी के फाउंडेशन।
ओके। और एक और डाउट था ओपीपी को लेके।
ओके।
सो ग्रेडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट में पढ़ रहा था, उसमें शुरू में एक पॉइंट लिखा हुआ था, अगर एक टर्म में 2 ओपीपी वाले कोर्सेस हैं तो दोनों एक ही दिन, ऐसा 30 अगस्त का टाइम दिया गया है, तो उसी दिन शेड्यूल होंगे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ, और फिर उसके बाद जब कोर्स वाइज उस ग्रेडिंग लाइंस पढ़ने गया तो डीबीएमएस में मैं देखा, तो उस पे लिखा हुआ था कि अगर 2 कोर्सेज हैं ओपीपी के एक टर्म में, तो डीबीएमएस का हम लोग चूज कर सकते हैं कि 29th को मतलब देना है या 30th को देना है, तो मतलब इन दोनों में से कौन सा पॉइंट ऐसा वैलिड होगा?
ओके, सो मेरा इससे एक्सपीरियंस रहा नहीं है, क्योंकि इट विल बी मोर, अगर आप डीबीएमएस, पीडीएस और जावा इन तीनों को इकट्ठे लोगे तो इस केस में आपका वो आता है चूज करने का।
अच्छा।
बिकॉज जो सिस्टम कमांड्स की ओपीपी होती है वो सैटरडेज को होती है, और एमएलपी की भी अगर आप कर रहे हो तो वो सैटरडेज को हो जाती
नहीं
है।
नहीं, मैं डीबीएमएस और पीडीएस ऐसे फर्स्ट टर्म, अभी इसी टर्म के बारे में
हाँ,
बात
तो
कर रहा
अगर आप दो ले रहे हो तो मेरे ख्याल से वो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज इन आवर हैंड्स, बिकॉज
ऑल्सो
उनका
एक्चुअली सार्थक, एक्चुअली अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को ऐसा रिक्वायरमेंट है, उसके नीड्स है कि वो फर्स्ट स्लॉट या सेकंड स्लॉट से अनदर स्लॉट में स्विच करना चाहते हैं, तो वो कर सकते हैं, एक फॉर्म दिया जाता है।
या बट वैलिड रीजन होगा ना उसमें।
हाँ, वैलिड रीज़न देना पड़ेगा।
हूँ। उस पे लिखा हुआ था, वो लाइंस तो मैं पढ़ा हूँ।
आप थोड़ा लाइन मुझे बता पाएंगे, सो आई कैन रीड दैट, अदरवाइज आई कांट
एक्चुअली
कमेंट ऑन दैट आई गेस।
हाँ, एक सेकंड, मुझे ग्रेडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट खोलना पड़ेगा।
देयर इज ओनली वन ओपीडी कनेक्टेड फॉर द टेबल सिस्टम।
कहाँ गया grading?
आप इसको रेफरेंस दे रहे हैं? इफ यू कैन सी दैट, दिस वन।
एक सेकेंड। UP student mandatory OPP if the first it is into class. नहीं नहीं, ऐसा डीबीएमएस का कहाँ था? डीबीएमएस का ही है
डीबीएमएस,
ना?
हाँ जी, डीबीएमएस का ये।
एक students have to complete OPPs. If you fail in this, if you are absent on first hint, proceeding. Okay, I guess मैं गलत पढ़ लिया था क्या?
यस, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि जो भी स्लॉट आपको मिलेगा ना, वो आईआईटी में ही डिसाइड करेगा। एंड
ओके।
अगर वो स्लॉट आप नहीं, मतलब उस स्लॉट में नहीं कर पाएंगे, फैमिली इमरजेंसी है या फिर आपका एग्जाम है ऑफलाइन, तो आपको प्रूफ उनको सबमिट करना पड़ता है। बट फिर आपका एक ये केस आएगा कि आप जैसे इसमें दो चांसेस हैं। एक बार में अगर आप, वो पाइथन वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ, शायद आप इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे ना, ये।
हाँ हाँ।
राइट, तो अब ये तभी एप्लीकेबल होएगा अगर आप रीअटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं थर्ड में वाला, तो वो 1 वीक के बाद में मिलता है।
ओके।
बट एज सच कोई ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा। जैसे रीअटेम्प्ट तो आपको पीडीएस से और उसमें मिलता है, डीबीएमएस में, लेकिन एससी में भी मिलता है। लेकिन आप उसको ऐसे नहीं स्केड्यूल कर सकते कि मुझे सिर्फ सेकंड चांस ही लेना है, आपको प्रेजेंट होना पड़ेगा, अनलेस एंड अनटिल कोई वैलिड रीजन है और उनके पास प्रूफ है।
अच्छा, सो मतलब ऐसे दो कोर्स लिया हूँ ऐसे, जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम में तो दो कोर्स ओपीपी वाले हैं ही, पीडीएस और डीबीएमएस। सो वो मतलब मोस्ट प्रोबेबली है कि एक ही दिन पे शेड्यूल होंगे दोनों के ओपीपी।
यस, हो सकता है वो 1 डे को स्केड्यूल हो जाए। लेट मी चेक एक सेकंड, मई 2026 का ग्रेडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट। ओके, सो मई के अंदर आपका सैटरडे को भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि ओपीपी 2 का जो डे 1 है अगस्त 29 को है, डीबीएमएस का, और पीडीएसए का अगस्त 30। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली देयर इज अ हाई चांस कि सैटरडे और संडे का वो हो जाए। बट अगर स्लॉट्स फुल हो जाते हैं तो ये भी हो सकता है कि 30th को ही दोनों हो। ठीक है,
अच्छा, ओके। ओके, थैंक यू, यही थे डाउट्स।
वेलकम। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज निहुति।
Hello.
हाय निहुति।
So the thing is, I'm left with two projects in my diploma, BDM and Mat 2. BDM I have
ओके,
covered proposal, my midterm report and final report are left, and Mat 2 complete project. So I was thinking to opt for two NPTEL courses along with my projects, but
ओके,
I don't have any idea about the NPTEL courses. I mean, I know how it works. You have to just fill it in with your official mail, and you have to transfer the credits. But there are so many courses there, I really don't know which one to prefer.
okay. So I think you would be going for the July NPTEL term, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can credit transfer that in January. And about the courses, I think you have to take from the technical bucket for the BSc, and only 4 credits will be transferred from there. So you can take like 2 3 credit courses, or 2 plus 2, or 3 plus 1. But if you are taking 3 plus 2 or 3 plus 3, only 4 credits will get transferred. About the courses, I think the link is here.
I can share
Department.
the link.
Yeah, I think this is the correct link.
I think so. I'll share it from my side as well.
Okay, yeah, it's the same
Yes,
link.
same
Yes.
link.
So here, I think it just depends on your interest. If you're like, your queries regarding what NEPTIL course to do.
Yeah, I mean, there are so many courses, so I'd like it. I have some guidance. I don't know which NPTEL courses are good or which one do the students prefer.
I think, see, this is not related to the curriculum, so I can't really comment on it. But anything that interests you, and it doesn't have a comment with it, you can do for the July December semester. So like, For example, cloud computing is available, so it is a 12-week and 3 credit course. You can do that. It's I mean, basically depends on your interest, so you can
So
go
it's
through that.
basically I just have to do the course according to the credit. No matter how much credit course I do, only four will be transferred for the
Yeah,
BS.
no, no. You can do like 2, 3 credit courses, so you will be earning 6 credits. But BS will be only BSc will be only crediting 4 credits.
So rest two will go in the BS.
No, 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 no. They won't be counted.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, for your NPTL, only 4 credits out of any number of credits will be counted. So you can do 3+1, 2+2. Okay, but if you're doing 3+3 or 3+2, which is like 5 and 6 credits, those two or that 1 credit will be discarded. You can only transfer 4 at max. For BS, I think it's a different category. It is under the MG and HM category, HS category, something like that. So, वो different courses are.
Okay, okay. So you were saying there's some technical courses only I can opt for the BSc
Yeah,
and
for
the
BSc you can
electronics.
only do within the list that we've shared. जो आपने link भेजा ना मैंने और
Okay, okay.
आपको.
That's complete list for BSc.
Yes,
Any
उसमें
of
4
any
credits हो
course I
जाएगा.
can opt.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Next is R. Uh, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, hello.
Hi. You're audible.
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, yes. Sir, actually, I am a standalone student here.
Okay.
Now I am at the foundation level in electronic system ES student.
Okay.
My first term is September 2025, sir. In that term, I cleared 3 papers. I couldn't clear C programming.
Okay. I'm very sorry to interrupt you, but I'm not the right person for the electronic systems degree. I'm just here for the data science one because I have no idea about ES. So,
Okay, okay.
Afreen or
Uh,
Sovit,
we have created a G space where you will find all the ES students. There we have seniors also. You can raise your query there.
Sir, my doubt is, sir, can I ask my doubt?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes. Sir, actually, in this term, I passed only. I registered for 2 courses. One is English 2, another one is C programming. I
Uh,
cleared English 2
wait.
successfully, but I couldn't clear C programming, sir. Actually, I got U grade. Already, I have applied for lab also, C programming lab. Am I eligible to attend the C programming lab in person?
See,
Actually, we are
we are
not
from
eligible to
data
answer your
science.
query here.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I'm so sorry, but we are from data science. We have no idea about the labs. If Navjot or anyone else was here, I think they would have been a better help. Because
Sarthak,
we
one
don't know.
second.
Yeah, 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 free.
Whosoever has a doubt in BS in electronics, I think
Yes.
Sovit, can you note down
we
their
have,
probably their email ID and they get them added to the G space
Yes.
specifically for BS in electronics?
wait, let me just send the link to G
So
space here. You can just paste your query there.
yeah, whosoever has a doubt for BS in electronics, you can type out your query in the chat box. So it will note down your email ID and probably get you added in the G space specifically for that because we are from BS in data science and the G space your query will be handled in a better way.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, Shan Sunny.
Hi. I have few questions. So if I choose, I'm just starting my diploma sections. And if I choose a BDM based step, in future in case after 1 or 2 terms, can I able to move to the Gen I based section or courses? Is it possible? So one question.
Okay, so in your diploma level, as long as you've not completed PTM project, I think you can take DL Gen AI theory. But if you have taken DL Gen AI theory and you've cleared it, I think you must do the DL Gen AI project, because your BDM and BDM project and BA will be credited in the degree.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want options, I think you can start with BDM right now. Don't complete the project, and you can, in a later term decide. But if you are taking the Gen AI path and you've completed like the Gen AI theory, you must complete the Gen AI project, because it's not available as an elective in degree.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So next question is, what is the life cycle of projects? How it is actually starting? Because it's the first time. I don't have any idea. Just to know that.
Okay, so the validity is for 2 terms. If you've registered for a project in May 2026, it is valid for May and September terms. And if how to study for it, I think complete the theory, and there are project sessions. There are TA project sessions which you can join for MAD 1 and MAD 2 specifically. They are very helpful, and for even DL Gen AI theory, the TA sessions are very helpful. So
okay, last question. So towards the end of the diploma, if I am not able to finish my last um, project, or I mean with along with my theory, because project means sometimes project is getting extended, right? Because we have 2 times of validity as well. So in that scenario, so do I need to just spend one complete time for project alone, or how that can be?
I think it depends. If you are having a U grade, you have to like redo it. If you've completed all the projects and it is under 7, then you will get 1 term as a, improvement term. Otherwise, you have to exit with the diploma. So you get a chance to improve, uh, but it's only after you've completed all the projects and it's under 7. Otherwise, it's just an I or a U grade.
No,
If
I'm
you've
just asking, but in some case the project is not approved in because I think that my last term contains um, ML, sorry, Gen AI theory and project, but I'm able
Okay.
to finish my theory with g- good mark, but I'm not able to finish my um, project. What is the next in that condition?
Okay, so in that case, you just have to take the project in the next term.
Okay.
It's only a
So only
project.
one time I need to spend just alone per project, then I can go for the degree part, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Next is Shri Prasad.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Myself, Srikanth. Actually, I have completed in this term 2 diplomas with all the
Okay.
papers and want to register for the BSc because I am a working professional and also elderly person, so I don't know every handbook rules. So I went to the handbook. And there was a table, I think 5 mandatory core courses, four courses and one strategies for professional development involvement.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I want to take 2 courses only, one lighter and one the deep learning and software development.
Engineering, right?
Software engineering, yes, sorry.
Okay.
Software engineering and deep learning. Which deep learning because I have just completed deep learning, so I want and Med 1 and Med 2 I have completed earlier two terms earlier. So what we will suggest to should I go to the deep learning first in the BSc or should I go for the software engineering first? Which
Okay,
one?
so
I am
first
not
of
from the
all,
coding background. Let me uh,
yeah.
clarify.
So first of all, you're a senior, in the program itself. You're junior here because I'm in the last term of diploma, and
No
I
problem. That
Yeah.
doesn't, because we are working professionals, we don't know the rules, how the tactfully
Oh,
we
yeah,
should.
yeah, yeah. So I think for BSc, you have to complete 5 mandatory courses. There
Okay.
are two software pairs and two data science pairs. Software pairs are software engineering and
That
software
is
testing.
core one or core two. What you call is that?
Programming core and data science core,
Okay.
right?
That is deep
Yeah.
learning AI and AI.
DP and BD, yes. For the BD, which is data science core, it is deep learning and AI search methods and problem
Okay. Yeah,
solving,
yeah, yeah. Correct.
right? And so basically, software engineering has a group project, and SPG, which is a HM course, which is also core course, strategic
What is
strategies for
SPG?
professional
Okay,
development.
okay. SPG. Okay.
Yeah. So these two have a group project component. Uh,
SPG also. SPG also.
yes, software engineering and SPG have group projects, which form
How
like
many
the
how
bulk
many
of the
projects
grade.
will be there, and what type of projects that we have to?
It's a group project. In software engineering, I think you have to make a full stack application with
Okay.
a team. There are milestones associated with it.
Okay.
And SPG, I think you are conducting interviews. I can't really say with certainty because I don't have the
Okay.
idea. But
Where should I approach to know about?
okay, so deep learning is very heavily based on theory. I've heard that deep learning is
What theory we
pretty.
should prerequisite I should have?
I think it's the mathematics, MLT, MLP. If you've taken DL Gen AI, then it's just a natural progression. So the first 3 weeks of DL Gen AI, we've covered like CNNs, right? It's just going into the detail of how Adam and quasi-Adam optimizers work and
Okay.
all that stuff.
Okay, fine. And this is the
For software engineering, I think
because that is
it's
the
a
core course. That is the core course. So we have to do that.
yeah. Okay, so
What
one
my
rule
point, what
is
I'm asking, because I have just done DL, and if whatever load it is having, I have to face that, because to do the BSc, we have to do this course.
Oh, yeah. And also, I think there is another condition here that unless you've completed the 5 core courses, you're not allowed to register for electives, or you have to like complete the 5 in the subsequent terms, and only then you are allowed to register for electives. So I think that is also something that you should be
No, sorry,
considering.
sorry. What will you, in the next term we have to complete
So
complete?
you are taking 2 courses here. In the next term, you have to either take 3 core courses, or you can only take like 2 core courses. You can't take any elective.
No, no, that is okay. What means you, we mean to say we have to complete my BSc degree in three if I am taking two only, right?
No, 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 no. What I'm saying is like, so BSc requires 7 courses, right?
Yeah,
You
seven
need
courses.
7 courses.
Five, five,
So
five core and two electives.
2 electives. So till the time you have not completed those core courses,
Yeah.
you won't be allowed to take any elective. So you're taking 2 courses in this term. In
Yeah.
the next term, you can only take 3 core courses, or you can take 2 core courses, like 3+1 elective, or
Okay.
2 core, not 2 core plus 1 elective. That is something that you should be aware of
Then what
in the
harm
next.
it will be there? What I'm asking. Suppose the two I
It
complete.
will take 3 terms to complete BSc. That's it.
So what is
There's
the,
no harm in it.
we will get 3 years to complete total BS degree.
I think it's total 8 years for total BS.
Total BS 8 years.
Yes, yes.
But that is a difference for us, because we are 21st batch, 21st. So we got 1 year more. The person from the persons who joined after 24. This is my
Okay.
conclusion also, because for this we will get 1.5 year only.
I think I'm not the right person to then
Where should I ask?
uh I think support team. So with
Okay,
support
fine.
team is going to be the right
Uh,
guys to reach out. Yeah. Or you can like write on discourse.
okay, I will write
Yeah.
on that. That is okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Here let us discuss the course only. This one. What is the minor course? I am seeing in the handbook minor. What is the meaning of minor?
Okay, so a minor is a group of courses that you can take to get a separate credential along with your BS. So right now you're doing BS in data science. A minor in let's say economics and finance means that you've completed three courses. I think it is corporate finance, managerial economics, and game theory. So once you do it, it's a separate document that you can show to any employer, or you can write under your degree that you've completed the minor. It's yeah, as
That is not
Archit
a
has said, it's a specialization.
that is not a credit course.
No, it's a credit course. It's counted toward the credits.
How it is defined like the minor, many minor courses I have seen here.
Yes, yes. So basically, like
Because
a
nowhere
minor is
this word minor has nowhere it has been defined. The minor
okay,
can
the minor thing is basically like your major is basically data science, right? Because it's a bachelor's
correct,
of science in data
correct,
science.
correct, correct.
So a minor is basically a separate set of courses that you can show to your employer, or you can
Out
put
of this
on
domain,
LinkedIn.
you mean to say out of this data science domain?
No, no. We have minors in the data science domain as well, such as I think
Okay, okay. I
generative
have
AI
seen
minor is there.
minus in economics, minus in computer science, minus in
Computing systems,
generative AI,
yes, yes,
minus in cloud computing. Many minors are there. So what does
yes,
it
yes.
mean? I'm not getting this.
It's a mini specialization. Uh, like the
No, why
whole
you
degree.
write in major?
Date.
Okay, suppose I specialize means this is a group of course. We when we specialize in these courses, then we will be able to do these jobs. Is it like that?
Yeah, yeah, kind of like that. Yes,
Okay, okay, fine. And these minor courses are the same which are in the electives, right?
yes, 4 credits. Yes.
Okay, okay, this one. And second thing, in the if you go to the handbook, the list of courses in ABC table 1, table 2, table 3 is there. List of elective offers in the program, list of NPTEL electives that can be credited at the BSc level. These are the links, but these are not opening. Again, it is opening the handbook. Where are these tables?
Okay,
Can I show you?
uh, I don't actually. I think the support team is going to be better if there is a problem with the handbook.
No, no, I'm just saying,
Uh,
what is this? Maybe table one means what? The list of elective offers in the program. So this is a list of the same electives. What you are telling after doing the core courses, we have to elect from group of courses. Is it?
I'm not quite sure that I
Okay,
got
fine.
it.
Okay,
Yeah.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
please.
Sir, we are all you are senior to us. So regarding all the doubts for the
I'm
BS
senior.
degree
I am
level,
senior, but I am not known to everything because I have just done
No,
it.
they are saying senior because you
sir,
have
senior
completed
in
diploma.
degree,
Yeah,
Okay,
you
exactly.
have,
okay, okay,
Not
okay,
yeah.
your years of
okay,
experience. They
okay,
are not looking at that.
Yeah, yeah.
This is
You are
not the
like
right
we are in
channel
year
actually for
two,
your
and
question.
you are year three, right? So you are in the BSc
You
level.
are
Where
asking doubts for year three. So for
got it,
all the
got it,
doubts
got it.
regarding this,
Where should I
either you
go?
can
Where should I go?
support team and discourse. I
either
think they're the
support them
best.
or you can ask in Discord. There are some like PODs you'll answer or support them will
Got
reach
it,
out
got
to
it.
you.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay.
Srikant, sorry, I joined late. Can you
No
repeat
problem,
what's your
please.
doubt?
Yeah, my doubt is that in the handbook, when I went, there is a table one, table two, table three. This table one is not opening. There is no table. Again, it is opening in the handbook. The list of
Uh, so you are in degree level, right? In the
not
first,
degree level. I want to go to the BSc level
okay,
because I'm
you
just
are just
beginner.
joining the BSc level, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, in the first term, I don't think it's for you because you have to do 5 courses, right? Five
Yeah,
mandatory courses.
that I know. That I know. High
Uh,
mandatory,
yes.
high mandatory. But
Uh,
NPTEL is also there. We can do NPTEL with that, no? Also.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But you can take 8 NPTEL courses. Total 8 credit from the NPTEL.
Where I should register for the NPTEL, because when I opening list of electives, table two list of NPTEL electives that can be credited, that list is not opening. That table is not opening. The again handbook is opening.
Why?
Why? What can I?
Okay, okay, okay.
You got your point? What I'm asking. When we go to the handbook, the list of courses about table one, table two, table three is there, and the link is also there. But when we open the link, that link is not the table.
Okay, it's not working. That means
Okay,
they
second,
haven't they
what
haven't
is
deployed.
this HS and MG? MG, a minor group. What is this
No,
MG?
HS. is the humanities science and MG is management.
Okay, fine.
So
Okay.
you have to add some courses from the HS and MG. You have the bachelors in what programming and bachelors in diploma courses. There is also BP and BD,
Yeah, that
right?
is okay. That is okay. BP and BT.
The bachelors in programming, bachelors in data science.
Okay, correct. Yeah.
Okay, and some courses that I guess it's 8 credit you have to earn from HS or MG.
Okay, that is 8 credit is allowed. Yeah, that is okay also. But have you done some NPTEL course earlier?
Yes, I have total.
Okay, how to register that and where to register that? What is the process?
You have to go to the SWAM portal.
Okay,
Before that, they have shared some sheet, right?
where
You
it is?
have to open that sheet in the student what grading document. May term
That's
grading document do you have?
the same seat I am at table 2 is open.
Yeah, they haven't. Okay,
What is
is
my
the NPTEL
yeah, the same.
NPTEL courses they have started because NPTEL courses you can register for only 2 terms. That means in the January they take exam and in December I guess they take exam. Oh,
Okay.
sorry. Means the NPTEL is by semester, but our degree is tri-semester.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
there might be some courses that is not available in the next term.
Yeah, that is
Means
okay. That is okay.
uh, uh,
When you will go to the course, no, that will be okay. But where to go to see the table which courses are available? Because the
uh,
table 2 is saying the list of NPTEL electives that can be credited at the
Yes,
BS.
you can take a look at the chat box. I've sent the direct link to the POD course list.
Yeah, okay,
It will
okay.
open up. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
uh,
giving, okay. I'm
Yeah.
giving you the link.
yeah, it's that course only.
I'm giving you the link. That
Uh,
link is only going to the handbook only directly.
no, no,
No,
Again,
no,
no,
no, no.
no,
I've
sir.
shared a link in the chat box. It's a direct link to the doc. If you open it, it's for the technical
okay.
bucket. Yeah.
So if you scroll this sheet, there is one column is available for July December cycle.
Okay, who has said in the chat box? Sarthak Jalota, na?
Yes,
Okay, okay, just
Sarthak has shared in the chat box.
yeah, just
You can You can take a
yeah.
look
This
and
link is
maybe.
yeah, this link is opening. Yeah, okay.
uh,
This is the link where NPTEL courses. Yeah, these are the NPTEL courses, right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Okay,
These are the list of courses that is available in the means not all the courses are available. You
okay,
may credit these courses, but whatever the courses are available, that is already given in the table. Means there is one column. It says that it is available in July December cycle
okay.
or
That
not.
is okay. I will go through
Uh,
this, no problem. But
hmm.
this link perhaps it is not opening in the handbook. The table
Maybe in the grading document they
maybe
have not
maybe
updated.
Yeah,
because that
they are maybe updating it for the May term. So I
maybe,
think,
maybe.
Uh-huh.
No, no,
yeah.
they have shared just now, 1 week back. Okay, let us go there. I will highlight this in the discourse. Okay, sorry to take
Okay.
so much time because
No, no issues, no issues.
tomorrow is the registration, na? And I will in the office. So I have to register it. So the I
Uh,
okay. So I will register for 2 courses in the course first, and 2 courses from the NPTEL. It will be okay, na?
yeah, it will be okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And one more thing, what you were suggesting, if you take 2 courses, then the next term we have to take 3 courses. Right now, if you want to complete in the
BSc.
2 terms, if I want
Yes.
to complete in the 3 terms, then the next term, in the third term, I have to provide with only 1 course. Is it like that? No.
You have to earn 50, sorry, what, uh,
28, 28,
28.
28.
28 credits for BSc.
Oh, that is okay.
Okay. Uh,
I
so
want to complete in
it's
three
up
terms.
to you. Means when you are going to complete it, you have total 9 terms for the degree level to complete.
Okay. 9 terms.
It's up to you. Yeah. Means total 9 terms in
Total
your
9 terms
overall
from the date when I enter into the
degree
BSc.
level.
B,
Yes.
BSc
Yes.
and BS are the integrated, no?
Yes. Though both are integrated,
Integrated.
you may take some courses from BS level also
Okay,
in
fine.
the BSc term.
Means
But
I
you
will
have to complete 5 courses from the core pairs to get the certificate for BSc.
got it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Thank you. Because I
Thank
was
you.
not knowing everything. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. If you have any doubt, you may reach out to me anytime.
Okay, thank you. Can you give where to connect you? Uh,
Uh,
Please share your contact or
I
mail
am
ID.
sharing my phone number.
Yeah, that is required because we are not so much giving time to know everything. Office is also loaded due to this.
Okay, Lord.
I took
I've
two.
shared my contact number. You may
Yeah, yeah. Please, I will share.
message me in WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah. Just.
Yeah,
Okay, we
okay.
can move
Thank you, thank
ahead,
you,
I
thank you,
think.
thank you.
Gagan, you can ask your doubt.
Can you
Sarthak.
can you talk about projects little bit? Like, should we take it along with the subject, or should we take it after in the next term when the subject is over? What is your
Are
take
you
on it?
doing it standalone or dual degree?
No, dual degree.
Okay, so for dual degree, if you are, if you have strong fundamentals or if you've covered Python and basic machine
So my
learning,
question is
you
more on
know.
like MLP front.
Okay, so for MLP, I don't really suggest doing it with the theory. The reason is like the model building and everything takes 7 to 8 weeks to cover everything in the theory part, and you have to get the, I think X is the cutoff score. X, you have to clear it within the first 2 or 3 weeks. So it's going to be a little bit harder if you don't have any experience with ML pipelines. Not recommended to do MLP theory and MLP project together if no
Okay.
experience with ML pipelines.
Because
Yes.
I just saw on some group today itself that someone, I think in the, it was broadcasted that it is better to do project and theory in the same term because by the time term ends, that interest declines. Something of that nature. So I was a bit confused.
That is a very personal take.
Okay.
Honestly,
Okay.
I won't suggest anyone who is doing standalone to take
If
theory
you have
plus.
time, don't go that because I have.
Yeah. So if you're doing it standalone, it's always better to do the theory in one term and then take the project in subsequent terms. If you're doing together, I would only recommend MAD 1 theory and to a lesser extent MAD 2 project, not DL Gen A project and your MLP project. Even
Oh,
BDM project you should take with the theory, but it's not gonna get like completed by the end of theory. So
okay.
it's
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
Ashish, thank you. Okay, Vinayak.
Uh, Hi Sarthak, I have just completed my foundation level and अब मुझे बस ये जानना है कि मतलब कैसे मैं सब्जेक्ट पिक करूं. I'm just having a really hard time finding those things. Can you please help me out?
ओके विनायक, आप थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड बता पाओगे फाउंडेशन का? आपने 3 टर्म्स में करा है, 4 टर्म्स में करा है, और मतलब आपका कोई ऑफलाइन कॉलेज या फिर स्टैंड अलोन है?
नहीं नहीं, मैं स्टैंड अलोन कर रहा हूँ और फर्स्ट जो मतलब फाउंडेशन लेवल था उसमें मैथ्स 2 में मैं एक बार फेल हुआ था, अदरवाइज मैंने बाकी सब मतलब नॉर्मल तरीके से आई थिंक 4 या 5 टर्म लगे मुझे करने में, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली.
हम्म.
और अभी तो स्टैंड अलोन ही है बट मेरे कोडिंग माय कोडिंग इज गुड बट माय मैथ्स इज नॉट एज गुड एज माय कोडिंग, इट्स लिटिल बिट वीकर.
ओके. ओके. तो अगर आपका मैथ्स वीक है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू ये टर्म ब्रेक में यूज करके आप अपना मैथ्स 2 और स्टैट्स 2 रिवाइज करो. एंड आप MLF अगर इस टर्म में कंप्लीट कर सकते हो तो दैट इज वेरी गुड. और you should go for the BA BDM path. Okay.
व्हाट पार्ट?
BA BDM, Business Analytics and BDM project.
तो मतलब लाइक
अगर मैथ्स में इशू है.
मेरी तो मेरे फर्स्ट जो टर्म होगा उसमें मेरे कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स होने चाहिए?
आप कितना लोड इस बार इस टर्म में ले सकते हो? आई वुड रिकमेंड आप मिनिमम 3 सब्जेक्ट्स लो अगर आप स्टैंड अलोन हो.
मतलब आई थिंक टोटल 5 टर्म्स फॉर डिप्लोमा.
ओके, अगर आप 5 टर्म्स डिप्लोमा के लिए ले रहे हो तो आई थिंक MLF DBMS एंड मैड 1 थ्योरी इज गोइंग टू बी मैनेजेबल, क्योंकि आपने कहा ना आप कोडिंग में अच्छे हो, तो DBMS और मैड 1 थ्योरी हो जाएगा.
DBMS, मैड 1 थ्योरी एंड व्हाट more?
MLF, मशीन लर्निंग फाउंडेशंस.
DBMS, मैड थ्योरी एंड मशीन लर्निंग फाउंडेशंस. ओके.
अगर आप थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग टर्म लेना चाहते हो तो आप PDA से भी ले सकते हो. आप उसको स्वैप कर दो उसके साथ, मैड 1 थ्योरी के साथ.
But I have heard that PDS is really hard.
यस, इट इज हेक्टिक.
अगर आपने डी से अच्छे से कर रखा है ऑलरेडी तो पीडीए से टफ नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज ये टफ है.
Okay. 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 ठीक है, थैंक यू.
वेलकम. ओके. So, any other doubts you want to ask me, Afreen, Pranjal, anyone, Sovit, Abhishek? Everyone is here for you guys. You can ask anything. So, any questions left?
Hello.
Hi, Arman.
Uh, uh, Hello, Sarthak. Actually, I am just a new beginner in this course. I have just completed my first term. I have selected two
Okay.
subjects in my first term in foundation level. So I just wanted to ask that for registration of the second term, when will it be on? Means the registration form will be on.
Okay, so the registration form is currently live and it's open till 20th, which is Wednesday. So you should
Okay. So me.
register. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so the course register form which is still on open now, right now on the website is the same for second term registration.
Yes, yes, it's the same. Have you received your official student email ID?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, you must have received it. Sorry. It's
yeah.
26, I think. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I have actually completed and I have passed in my two subjects. So I was
Okay.
still confused for the registration because I thought that it's for the qualifying exam.
Okay. No, no, no. So it's just the normal process. You log in with your student ID to the portal and fill in the registration form, select your courses, and yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay, thank you so
Welcome to the
much.
program. Okay.
Yeah, can you repeat?
I said welcome to the program. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Any more doubts, guys? I think we can wrap it up now, Sarthak.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, Pranjal, should interrupt. I have one doubt actually. I
Yes,
Yes,
did put
please
it
Ayush.
up
go
in
ahead.
the chat box. So this would be my last term in diploma, and I
Okay.
have in theory courses I have system commands, and in projects I have GenAI project and MLP project left. So I'm
Okay.
planning to take all of these in this term, and beside all of this, I'm also planning to take one NPTEL course. So if you guys have any experience, would you be able to suggest any NPTEL courses which might be easy to deal with for this term?
Okay, so you see, the thing is for BSc, you will be only crediting the technical bucket. So are you planning to credit for both BSc and BS or just for BSc?
I'm planning to do for both.
Okay, so I think the easier way to do is you take any HS or MG course and complete it within the July-December semester. And you know, any course that interests you, you can go through the list, just pick it up. I think that's the entire NPTEL thing.
Also, make sure that your courses should not clash with your offline exams. That is the ITM-based exams. So make sure that to check the exam date when it's going to be happen and whatever your course you're going to take.
Also, the NPTEL terms go from July to December, like it's
Yeah,
fixed
the
month.
Yeah.
exam mostly would be in end of December. But there are some courses which have only 2 weeks. There are some courses which has 3 months or 12 weeks, 4 weeks and 8 weeks span. So based on that, they have exams in that plan only.
Oh, okay. Is it possible that I can get the link of the list if if you guys have any?
Maybe you can check out the grading document and Sarthak also had shared some list of the courses. You have to choose from them also, then only to
Yeah,
credit
I've
it in
shared.
BTech.
I think I should pin it. So this link is for the HS and MG category. This is only available for crediting in the BS level. So if you're planning to do 4 years, you can take any course. This is going to be easier as it is humanities courses. So you can just go through the list.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you,
Okay.
Sathak. Thank you,
Yeah.
Abhishek.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ans, are you here? Ans, are you here? Yeah, Hashin has already given you the suggestion. You can upload your old one. If they reject your certificate, then you can upload the new one. But it also take time. From 7 days, they will check. Okay, so don't worry about that. You can upload your old certificate. They will check if they They will not accept, they will reject and give you the chance to upload the new one. So don't worry about that.
I think should be a wrap up now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you everyone for joining, and Sarthak very well explained, and everyone who answered the doubts. Session was good.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, we are done with the session. And also, if your doubts are left and you get some doubts after the session, you can ask in groups. People will answer you there.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and I would like to
Okay,
extend
you
my
guys.
thanks to Sovit and Pranjal for giving me the opportunity, and also for Abhishek to come give us his time as he is in the degree level. Everyone, yeah, okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Pranjal. Thank you, Sovit. Really means a lot.
Have
Thank
a
you.
good week.